Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. In today's video, we're taking a look at two stocks that have had some recent insider buying. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. Today, we used the TipRanks Insiders Hot Stocks to find two strong buy stocks that have had some recent informative buys from insiders. So we're going to take a look at what it is these companies do, what types of purchases these insiders are making, and how analysts feel about the stock's future. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. All right, let's dive right into these two strong buy stocks. The first stock that we're taking a look at is called Sight Sciences. Trading under the ticker SGHT, their stock is priced right around that $25 mark. Sight Science is a medical device company in the ophthalmology and optometry segment. They are working on transforming ophthalmology and optometry by addressing the underlying causes of the world's most prevalent eye diseases. Using minimally invasive or non-invasive approaches, they are developing and commercializing products that they believe will disrupt two major eye care categories. Sight Sciences has two products on the market. This includes the Omni surgical system, which was launched in February of 2018, and TearCare, which had a controlled release in April of 2019. The Omni surgical system is a novel implant-free MIGS device which can be used in combination with cataract surgery or in a standalone procedure to lower IOP in adult patients with primary open-angle glaucoma. The TearCare system utilizes both wearable and smart technology to deliver targeted heat to the eyelids, where the current medical community recommends the application of a warm compress while allowing the eyelids to blink naturally. This is used in the treatment of dry eye disease. Sight Science has been around since 2011, but just held their IPO this past summer. The company offered up 11.5 million shares at an opening price of $24, raising the company $276 million in gross proceeds. Back in August, the company shared their first quarterly earnings report as a publicly traded company. The company showed $12.5 million in top-line revenue for a year-over-year gain of 258%. Of that total, $12 million came from surgical glaucoma sales, a year-over-year gain of 263%. The company reported gross margins expanded to 82% in the quarter. Taking a look at recent insider activity, a board member of Sight Sciences, Krantz Staffen, bought over 527,000 shares of the stock, paying out $12.65 million. He now controls over $95 million in Sight stock. Also showing confidence in the stock is analyst Matthew O'Brien from Piper Sandler. He says that the company's unique Omni technology for treating glaucoma addresses a $9 billion market opportunity. With only one of two labels to treat the largest segment of this market, we see a long runway for revenue growth over the next several years. Augmenting that top-line outlook in a few years should be a bigger contribution from the company's TearCare product. Collectively, we anticipate Sight will deliver some of the most robust revenue growth in the coming years, elevating the scarcity value of the name. Matthew is one of 4 analysts that currently have a rating on the Sight Science stock, and it does come in as a strong buy based off of 3 buy ratings and 1 hold. The average price target comes in at $43.50. That would be an upside potential of nearly 74% for the next year. Our hold rating came in 5 days ago with a low-end price target of $39, which would still be an upside of over 50%. The second strong buy stock on our list today with recent insider buying is Apollo Endosurgery. Their stock trades under the ticker APEN and is currently priced just shy of $9 per share. Apollo is another device-based medical tech company, but their focus is on the gastrointestinal system. Their goal is to change the way the global epidemic of obesity is managed. Apollo works to develop and market less invasive therapies and visualization devices for gastrointestinal scoping and treatments. The company's devices manage issues from defect repairs to obesity intervention using methods short of invasive surgical procedures. This includes one of their products, Orbera, which is the #1 gastric balloon. Orbera fills the gap between the non-surgical weight loss segment and the weight loss surgery segment. The comprehensive two-part program takes a holistic approach to weight loss, combining the use of an intragastric balloon with an individually tailored support program to tackle dietary, psychological, and exercise strategies to assist adult patients in losing and maintaining weight. Other products include the Overstitch, Overstitch SX, and the X-Tac, which allow physicians to suture injuries or repair gastrointestinal defects through a flexible endoscope, avoiding the need for abdominal surgical incisions. During their second quarter, the company saw a new record in sales. They achieved total revenue of $16.6 million, which was an increase of 194% compared to the second quarter of 2020. They realized gross margin of 55% on a favorable product mix. On October 7th, the company released preliminary third quarter results. Revenue is expected to come in between $16 and $16.4 million. They're expecting a third consecutive quarter of double-digit revenue growth, with endoscopic suturing up over 30%. Taking a look at insider activity, two of Apollo's major shareholders have made informative buys within the last few days. Kent McGaughey, a 10% owner and member of the board, purchased over 683,000 shares for $5.3 million, pushing his total stake in the company to just under $34 million. At the same time, an institutional investor, CPMG, also made a $5.3 million purchase, now also holding nearly $34 million worth. Weighing in on the stock is five-star analyst Adam Maeder from Piper Sandler. He said that Apollo elected to raise its fiscal year 21 sale guidance given the underlying momentum in the business. They announced that it made its de novo submission for ESG and bariatric surgery revisions, putting a likely FDA approval timing in 2022, and we will now get the much anticipated initial data readout from the MERIT study on October 22nd at a virtual meeting session hosted by IFSO. In short, we are encouraged by Apollo's third quarter performance, and we view the company's operational updates to be positive. Adam is one of just 3 analysts that have a current rating on the stock, but it does come in with unanimous buys. The average price target comes in at $14.33 for an upside potential of nearly 60%. Adams is the most recent price target, coming in 19 days ago with an upside potential of nearly 57%. So there we have 2 strong buy stocks, both with some recent insider activity. Now, I always love hearing from you guys, so make sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Were these 2 companies on your radar already, or are they brand new to you, and what do you think of their future growth potential? As always, please keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes only. Please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you back here next time.